you.
Yeah.
Looking so dashly, extremely beautiful.
No, you're looking handsome. Wow. I didn't even expect to see you here.
Look at me.
How long has it been? 10 years?
Yeah, 10 years.
Wow.
Jenny, look
Solomon.
at you. The Miss Abuja campus queen.
You did not forget.
How can I forget that? I can't.
Miss Campus Abuja. Your husband must be very lucky. Okay, your boyfriend, so to say. He must be very lucky to have you. He should be worshiping your feet, you know? Of course, your look is absolutely beautiful.
Stop flattering me. I don't like what you're doing.
He might have to do what he has to do.
Right. Solomon.
What are you doing here?
Hi, baby. Okay, baby. This is Solomon. Solomon, my old schoolmate. Solomon.
What are you doing here?
Wow! Nice meeting you. I'm Solomon.
Get your bag, let's go.
Baby, I'll see you later tonight.
Come on, let's take Are you stupid?
I'm not stupid. Baby, we're outside. Okay, just
Please be careful with her.
Are you stupid?
She's a lady, you know?
No,
What's wrong with
she-
you?
Okay, fine. It's all right.
Get into the car. You
Okay.
stupid.
Jesus.
Let me. You should be careful. She's a lady, you know?
Hello.
What? Not again. Why does he keep doing this? Eh? Oh my God. What is that? I don't even know what Jennifer is doing with this guy. Eh? If I were Jennifer, I would just leave this guy aside. He's such a molester. Psychopath.
I don't understand. What is wrong with you? Why have you been embarrassing me outside and you've been pushing me?
You have no respect.
No, I have respect.
Are you talking back at me?
I am not talking back at you, but why would you've been pushing me out?
Jennifer, are you stupid?
I'm not stupid. You're the one who is acting abnormal. What is wrong with you?
Are you talking back at me?
Yes, I'm talking.
Are you talking back at me?
Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Try it one more time now. Blow off your head. What do you mean? Because I've been keeping quiet. Try any nonsense again. Lay your filthy hands on me again. Rubbish.
You slap me?
Yes, and I'll slap you and slap you and slap you again. Are you mad? What's wrong with you?
Do you realize you're in my house?
Okay, look at you. You want to bring out your belt.
Do you realize-
I won't you. Don't even try nonsense.
Do you realize you...
I won't.
Why would she end up with such an arrogant man? As beautiful as she is? Can't believe this. Jennifer. No. To even think that she was the eye of everyone in the campus and ending up with a monster.
I'm tired. I am tired. I am so tired of this relationship. Sincerely speaking, I am. I'm done. I am done.
Then what are you doing here? Get out. Get out of my house.
You're asking me what I'm doing
You
here.
broke my head and you still have the audacity to talk to me.
Are you kidding me?
I caught you with a man and all you can do is
Is
tell
what?
me you're done with the relationship.
I am not getting out of any
Get
house.
out! Get out of my house!
I am not getting out of any house. What's wrong with you? Are you okay? What is wrong with you? You caught me cheating. Can you hear yourself? Can you hear yourself? Are you not hearing that you're damaged? You are damaged. Instead of you to ask questions, you hear me call or not call on the call? Ask me.
See my
Who
phone?
is that? Gently.
You've broken my head. Can you see? Can you see? Jennifer,
Listen.
leave my house.
Listen to me. Listen to me, okay? You do not have any right over me again.
You don't have any right over me again. What else would you say? Oh, that I'm in bed and I come to beg you. Yes, I beg you. Because I try to be the reasonable one. I beg you. What else do you know how to do again? After begging you, okay, you get yourself, maybe the evil spirit is gone and then let's make up. Let's have a make-up sex.
Jennifer.
That is only what you're good at, oh. That is just what you're good at.
Jennifer.
Rubbish.
Leave my house. You have no home training. Fine. You have no home training.
Fine! Fine!
Why are you screaming?
Fine! I have no home training because you don't know how it hurts me.
Get out.
Rubbish!
Get out of my house.
And if you try anything again, I will hit you on the other end.
Get out. Get out.
Don't touch me again.
Get out.
Where's the car keys, sir?
Jennifer.
If you try one nonsense again, I'll hit you and hit you again. Rubbish.
Jennifer, I can't believe that fool reduced you to nothing in this town.
I'm done. I am sincerely done with this relationship. I am done.
You sure?
I am sure. I mean it this time, Nicole. I mean it this time.
Honestly, I don't believe you. Eh? Look at how that animal you call your boyfriend turned a fine babe like you into black eye with wipes all over your body. Look at. Who does that? Eh? Jennifer, the earlier you realize that relationship is not healthy and walk away, the better for you. Before that guy sends you to your early grave.
You see what I did to him? The way I broke his head, he's never going to forget it in a lifetime. Rubbish.
I don't understand the whole thing. Does that really matter? I mean, you saw a toxic relationship, you still went deep into it. Eh? Jennifer, you can't manage a psycho. That guy is a psychiatric case. He belongs to a psychiatrist, believe me.
I don't understand, Alan. I just don't understand it. I was only being human, remain in that relationship, trying to get or understand what's wrong with him and know if I can help him out.
Are you expecting anybody?
I'm not expecting anybody, but I know that person knocking is Alan. Please, Nicole. I don't want to see him. I beg you in the name of God, I don't want to see him.
It's alright, I'll handle him. Yes.
Hi, Nicole.
Hey, what is it?
I'm here to see Jennifer.
Jennifer doesn't want to see you, so leave.
Hold on, wait. Nicole, listen, I want to explain. Nicole!
You're still here with your miserable self. Look what you did to Jennifer. Huh?
I'm sorry. I just can't walk away. Okay? I still love her.
Until you kill her. Is that your plan?
I don't want to kill Jennifer. It was a mistake. I still love her so much. Okay? I'm sorry for everything, but I still love Jennifer. That's why I'm still here.
Go and look for love elsewhere. Jennifer is not the one for you. She has moved on. Okay?
Alan, is it not obvious that you and I are not meant to be together? Just look at my body. Look at my face. Who does this to a human being? For 2 good years, two good years I have endured. I have endured. When we're not together, it's heaven. You miss me. You call me. You video call me. Everything is amazing. But when we're together, it's little heaven. We're happy this moment. The next minute you're a beast. Because I can't answer calls. You see me with a friend, a male friend. You're just not human anymore. What happened? You tell me, what is wrong with you? I don't understand what's really happening. Oh God. Oh. I'm tired. No, I'm tired. I can't take it anymore. I'm tired. Oh God, please.
Jonah. Where's Jonah now? Jonah.
Sir.
Please get me water to drink.
Okay, sir.
Wait. I hope my daughter is back home.
Yes, sir. But I think there's a problem.
Problem?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean?
She came back battered with bruises all over her body with a black eye.
What? Oh. I think that bastard have laid his filthy hands on my daughter again. Maybe until I jail him and his generation for life. That's when he will stop. Jennifer! Why exactly have you decided to kill yourself in the hands of that bastard?
Good evening, Daddy.
There is nothing good about this evening. Why have you decided to kill yourself before your time? Don't you keep quiet on me. Is that guy the only boy around that you can frolic with? Look at your eyes. Look at your face, your whole body. Look at it. Look at this. Oh my God. Pick your call now. Pick your call. Your phone is ringing.
Daddy, please, can you just stop doing what you're doing?
Will you stop trying to stop me from doing what I am doing? Haven't I tried several times to do it myself, my own way, and you kept begging me that you love the idiot? Commissioner, greetings. Some fool just raped and assaulted my daughter.
No, Daddy, I was not raped.
Shut up! And I would be mighty glad if you send your boys to number 23, Osaribe Dennis. Yes, I want you to detain him for rape, for assault, and for battering until I decide what to do with him. Oh, thank you. I can always count on you. Thank you. I want to know if the idiot thinks he has money. Let's see how far he can go. Yes. I will make sure I deal with him.
Listen, I'm not proud of what I did, okay? But I felt disrespected. I caught her with another man, and I tried to talk to her about it. She became very aggressive and started challenging me. Who does that?
Alan, can you hear yourself talk? Can you hear yourself talk? She disrespected you. That is not enough reason for you to lay your hands on a woman. She's a woman.
On whose side are you?
Listen to me. I don't care who is wrong and who is right here. My concern is you are not supposed to lay your fingers on a woman. If you are looking for whom to fight with, I am here. If your finger is scratching you, come and fight with me. I am here to fight you. I am here. Fight man to man, not man to woman. She is a woman.
I wasn't like this before. You decided to come out. You got tired of hiding, didn't you?
I don't understand. What do you mean? Hiding? I wasn't hiding.
What were you doing?
Babe, I don't understand. What are you saying?
I just saw you. You literally saw me and you ran into the shop.
Me?
Yeah.
Come on, baby, that wasn't me. I've been in there. I was getting some stuff for myself. I didn't run. What are you saying?
You didn't see me right now?
Baby, I didn't see you. I've been in there. What is it?
Okay, who's the guy I saw you with?
Babe, come on.
The
Babe.
guy you were standing right here with. Who was that?
Babe, are you being serious?
Yes.
Me standing with a guy? Oh, come on. It wasn't me, baby. I've been inside. What are you saying?
Are you saying I'm hallucinating?
Baby, see, I don't know what you saw, but that wasn't me. I'm just coming out now.
Wow.
Believe me.
Okay.
Babe! You know, baby, as long as you keep making sweet love to me with this your thing, I will never stop crediting you. You know, right?
I like the sound of that.
You know, you have proven to be a master in the game. And I love you for that.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Who was the guy you were hiding from that day at the mall?
Come on, baby. It's nobody. That doesn't matter.
Is he your boyfriend?
Okay, fine. He's my boyfriend, but you know, he's not good in bed. He doesn't even know how to suck, not to lick a woman. So he's just as good as useless. So it doesn't matter, baby. Come on, let's go for the 5th round. You know what I mean? Come here. Ow. Babe, it's not what you think. Babe, please, I'm sorry. It's not what you think. He's just my friend. He just came in. Babe, please listen to me. It's nothing. It's not what you think. He's a friend. He's nobody. Babe, I'm serious, please. I mean what I'm saying, babe. Babe, please don't. Babe, stop. Babe. Babe! Babe!
You can't leave me hanging like this, girl. Come on.
Are you okay? My boyfriend just got me. No, really?
I understand you. But that is not enough reason to lay your hands on a woman. That doesn't justify laying your hands on a woman. Are you expecting anybody?
No, come in. Who's there? Come in.
Who is Allen?
What?
I said, who is Allen?
I am, and what's wrong? This is my house. What can I do for you?
I am Inspector Bayo from the State CID. You're under arrest for assault and attempted rape.
Attempted rape?
Ali, rape? How?
Rape? Rape who? Who raped who?
Are you coming with us or you want us to force you?
What? Hold on, I don't understand.
I said, are you coming with us or you want us to force you? Get him.
Ali, I think you should go with them. Ali, just go with them.
Move it. Don't waste our time. Move it.
Let up, please. Let's go.
Move it.
That's wrong.
Move it.
Let's go.
Well, I didn't.
Right away.
We had a fight.
Let's go.
We just had a fight.
Move.
Let's go. Move.
I'm not smiling. Move it.
Move. Let's go.
Stay out of this.
Let's go.
now and then I hear you beating up my daughter. Do you know the kind of man you're dealing with? Do you know whose child you'll be messing up with? No one messes with my child and goes scot-free. And I'm going to make sure you go in for it. When I leave here, I am going to call the commissioner of police. I'm going to tell him to charge this case to court. To charge you for assault, to charge you for battery, and to charge you for rape. Nonsense!
But sir, I didn't rape your daughter. We just had an argument and it led to a fight. I still love her.
You love who? You love who? My daughter? And you're beating her up? Giving her injuries every time? You don't kill her for me? Do you know what it means to be battering my only daughter? The only possession that I know I have?
I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry for what? You're beating up my child regularly, every now and then? Yes, like I said, I am going to charge you for assault, for battery, and for rape. I don't have any other child. I don't have any, there's nothing else other than my daughter. And if you try that again, I'm going to make sure you won't have time to try that again. Because you will not in jail. Take him back to cell. Take him back to cell. Yes, sir.
We are invincible. Our love would never die.
You sounded so tensed on the phone. What were you saying?
I am tense because Allen has been arrested.
I like that.
I don't understand. My dad arrested Allen and he's in detention as we speak.
That serves him right. That guy's a big fool. He deserves what he got. Eh?
Cool.
Just look at you. He probably wants to blind you and jump to the next available babe. Don't you get it?
What are you saying, Nicole? Yes, I frown at what he did, but he's not supposed to be where he is. My dad is even doing too much. Don't you think he's doing too much, getting him arrested? He's gone overboard now.
When he was busy beating you up, he should have known what he was getting himself into. Eh? He can't beat up the only child of Chief Gomez and get away with it. Or didn't you tell him who your dad is?
My point exactly. Didn't.
You mean you didn't tell him you are the daughter of one powerful political juggernaut in this town? Why now? Eh? If you had told him all these things would have stopped a long time ago. Maybe you enjoy his beating. Probably afterwards you guys will make up in bed. What nonsense.
Sorry, please. Are you trying to insult yourself? Because it's not me you're trying to insult. What are you saying? I'm telling you that Allen is in detention and here you are saying what you're saying. Listen, my dad has already threatened that he will use the help of the commissioner to send Allen to prison and he's going to accuse him of assault, battery and rape. And you're here being this calm.
In as much as I like what he's getting right now, but did he rape you?
No.
He didn't rape you now.
No, he did not rape me. He didn't.
You see?
What is you see? I know my dad. I'm telling you that I know my dad. Every word he has spewed out of his mouth, he would definitely see that he carries it to the very last.
Babe, you are the cause of all this.
How?
You should have told him who your dad is for him not to fall into his trap.
Nicole, if I had said so, we wouldn't be in a relationship. The relationship would have ended.
I don't know.
Nicole, you don't know.
You figure that out.
Nicole, Nicole, you're supposed to help me here now. An innocent man is about to go to prison. Are you heartless? I'm fine, no. If it's this bruising, it will go. But just help.
Talk to your dad, please.
Nicole, you're my friend because you have a good heart.
I can't do anything.
Nicole, you're my friend because you have a good heart. Oh, Nicole.
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
Daddy, please. I beg you with everything you hold sacred. Please, release Alan. Just free him. Let him go. Please, Daddy.
No.
Daddy.
What if he had killed you?
Daddy, he didn't. I'm here. It was just lovers' squabble. Daddy, you know. Please.
Same language. Same words that Nikompu told me. Jennifer.
Daddy.
You are in a toxic relationship. And I expect you to know that it's about time that you quit such a relationship to keep yourself alive.
Daddy, I'll quit. I'll quit. Just release him. Let him go. I'm going to quit the relationship, Daddy.
Jennifer, no. For laying his filthy hands on my only daughter. No way. My friend, the commissioner, will move him to Kirikiri and have him charged for 3-count charges of assault, battery and rape.
Daddy, no. No, Daddy, he did not rape me now. He didn't. Daddy, why do you want to lay a false accusation on an innocent man? Please, I'm begging you, just release him.
Alan cannot be innocent.
Daddy, he's...
Yes. He signed his death warrant the very day he laid his filthy hands on you. He's even lucky. I should have sent my boys to sniff life out of him. Or better still, I could just have gone there to do it myself. But I just want the Lord to take his course.
Daddy, his only crime was just hitting me. And I'm alive, I am here with you. Just release him, Daddy, please.
I'm sorry, my daughter. He made a mistake. Nobody touches my only daughter and goes scot-free. No.
Daddy, it's me, your only daughter. I'm here. I'm still here with you. Please just release him, I beg you, Daddy.
Will you stop this?
Daddy, please. Daddy,
stop this!
Okay.
Get off my side. I say get off my side.
Daddy.
We are invincible. Our love would never die. But now I'm standing here wondering why you said I didn't listen. And I said you didn't try. Now we are lost in the air of a love that's gone away. We were chasing shadow in the dark of night. Our hearts beat like drums in a fire. We are searching for a light to guide us, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion.
Please stop. Okay.
This is mental.
Are you not tired?
Just come to me.
No.
Come to me.
Baby, no.
Come to me.
No.
1,
2,
2, 4,
okay, wait.
5, 6. Just quietly come to me.
Come on now. Okay. It's fine. I love you more.
What?
I don't know.
What's it? My perfume?
Yeah, your cologne, it really smells nice.
You like it?
I love it. Can I have it?
I can give it to you.
Really?
Of course I can.
Thank you. I miss you more. But I'm here with you and you're missing me.
I know, I can't get enough of you.
I love you, baby.
Remember the tears, the fight, the memories we created in the silence of midnight. But now
I love you.
I love you more, baby.
So tell me, when am I meeting your parents?
My mom's late.
What?
Yeah, she's late. She died when I was 7.
What? Your mom is late? Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear this. My condolences.
Baby, it's okay. It's been a long time.
What happened to her? Babe?
It's a domestic accident.
I'm so sorry to hear that, okay?
It's okay, it's fine.
How about your dad?
My dad, he's around. He's also a government worker.
Oh, okay, like a civil servant?
Sort of like.
Okay. I'm sure he misses your mom.
Yes. So.
It's okay. I'd like to meet him.
Excuse me, baby. Hello?
we are invincible. Our love would never die. But now I'm standing here wondering why you said I didn't listen, and I said you didn't try. Now we are lost in the air of a love that's gone away. We were chasing shadow in the dark of night. Our hearts beat like drums in a fire. We are searching for a light to guide us, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do, but our love lost in the haze. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion. I don't know what to do. This is mental.
Yeah, it looks really cool. Oh, thanks, babe.
It's okay.
Just give me one of the drumstick. Oh, I have one.
You have one
Yeah,
already.
just-
You need more?
Yeah,
This one?
of course. The drumstick. It's fine.
I wanted to take it.
Okay, fine. You can have it.
Thank you.
Right, then just give me the other one.
This one or this
Yes,
one?
yeah, this one. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
There you go.
That's fine. I'll come for this later. All right. Yeah, just try to stir it a little bit. Just mix it up.
Hello, Richard. You want my house? I'm not around. I stepped out.
Hey, what's that?
Oh, Richard, I'll call you back.
My friend dropped that phone. Are you out of your mind?
I don't understand. Why are you flaying up? I was just...
No respect. I'm right in front of you and you're answering your boyfriend's call.
Boyfriend, babe, I was... Boyfriend? What do you mean by boyfriend? I was just answering
Are
the
you
call.
talking back at me?
No,
Are you talking? What the hell is wrong with you? Come back here. Come back here. I said come back here.
I'm tired. No. This is not a relationship at all. Okay.
I was calling you.
I don't understand.
Did you hear me call you?
I heard it. So what is it? What do you want again? What is it?
Were you not raised well? Were you not raised well?
What are you saying? Can you just calm
How
down?
dare you speak to your boyfriend in front of me?
But I wasn't. Just calm down. Let me
have
explain
that phone.
myself. Why?
Are you stupid? Give me that phone. Stupid.
Oh, God.
Every time. Why do I keep meeting cheats all my life? Why? Hello? Who the hell is this?
I'm sorry, sir. I am the laundry guy. I have a message for Madam Jenny. I just dropped my father's clothes for the security man. I couldn't wait because I have another customer waiting for me.
I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to put my hand on you. I picked the call and it was some laundry guy.
You're sorry.
I apologize. I overreacted. I'm sorry.
No, you're not sorry. You are not. I know definitely that you're not sorry. You're not.
Listen, I didn't mean to hurt you.
Okay, you meant it.
I'm sorry. Listen, I picked the call and it was some laundry guy.
Because you picked the call, now you know who called. Not so.
No, you just walked out to me and I was calling you and you didn't...
No.
I thought you were talking to...
That's the point. That's the point. Leave me alone,
sorry.
please. I beg you.
I love you.
No, I just need to go. I need to leave here because this place is not good for my mental health.
I love you, man.
No, you don't love me. You don't. Because if you do, you won't lay your hands on me. You lay your hands on me in the morning, afternoon, night, when I pick calls, when you see me with...
Hold on, babe. Please don't be like this. I overreacted. I promise you.
Please, can I just go? I need my phone. Let me just go. This place is not okay for me. I beg you.
I apologize.
Please, you don't apologize to me. Just let me go. Okay. The fact that you're standing here, I'm shivering.
Listen to me. Listen to me. I promise never to do it again. I promise I will never do it again.
I need to go. I need to leave.
Are you leaving me?
I don't know. I just need to leave this environment. Just let me go. Let me be. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Thank you.
Marshal! Marshal!
Madam!
Open the gate.
Hey, listen. If you touch that gate, I am going to deal with you. Do you understand me? Yes. If you touch that gate...
Marshal, open the gate.
Madam, Oga say make I no open gate.
I don't understand.
Can you hear me out?
Can I hear you? What do you want to say?
I'm sorry. I don't know what came over you.
You don't know what came over you. How would you know what came over you? I asked for a boyfriend and not an abuser. Do you understand me? Now, what is wrong with you? Can you even tell what is wrong with you? You can't tell, right? Marshal, open the gate! Open the gate, Marshal!
Okay, make I open them.
Marshal, open the gate!
Rubbish.
Jennifer.
Please, I beg you in the name of God.
You're my everything, my sweet, my darling, my dream come true, my moon and sunshine. You're my everything, Onyankemo, my dream come true, sweetie, darling, flowers bloom. You make stars collide in the sky. I don't know what I did to get lucky like this. I feel special.
Why are you calling me? Why are you calling me? Eh? Why are you calling me?
My sweet, my darling, my dream come true. My moon and sunshine, you're my everything. Onyankemo, my dream come true. Sweetie mo, darling mo, baby mo, my dream come true.
It's a no, it's a no, please. Eh?
Every night and day.
It's not the first time you're hitting me. Can't deal with this cycle. Rubbish.
Whenever you are away for so long, 'cause I can't just believe you are mine to keep. I want you by my side all the time, baby, baby, my. You're my sweet, my darling, my dream come true.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Jennifer, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for laying my hands on you. I shouldn't have done that. I'm so sorry.
You're sorry? Is something wrong with you? You're sorry?
Please, forgive me.
Forgive you? Forgive you?
You know, I keep asking myself. I just don't get it. I don't understand it. I keep asking myself.
Listen,
Jennifer,
I'm...
You just shut up! I'm not done talking. I'm not done talking, okay? You see, I deserve better. I do deserve better.
Jennifer, listen, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have laid my hands on you. And I promise you, the next time I do it again, walk away and never come back.
Now you think I have that time? I don't. So please, get away from here before my dad sees you. Do you understand?
I want to meet your dad.
You want to meet who? Who do you want to meet? Get out, please. Get out.
We are invincible. Our love would never die.
So, after 1 month, we made up. But Alan, he didn't stop there. He did not. You always flare up at the slightest provocation. Just at the slightest provocation, you would just flare up.
Sure. Painful?
No, sweet. Baby.
Yes, love.
Can you remember the last time you did this? Like, write me a love poem, told me you love me, like, buy me flowers and all of that. Can you remember the last time you did all of that?
Babe, what kind of question is that?
You know, I want to know the last time if you can remember when the last time you said you loved me. And, you know, the poem, the hugs, good hugs and pecks all over my face.
I actually thought you were joking.
No,
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
For real?
For real. Like, I just...
How do you... Babe, like, seriously?
Like, seriously, it's a harmless question I'm asking. I want you to answer. I just want to know if you remember the last time...
Are you kidding right now?
No.
Okay, what's your definition of love? How can you define love in your own language? How can you express love? I buy you things. I buy you gifts. I make sure you're fine. I give you foot massages. I take care of you. How else do you want me to express love?
I don't understand it. Why are you even listing all these things? I do these things. Why are you reacting
I'm just asking you, what's your definition of love?
Baby, why are you reacting the way
Hold on, what's your definition of love? Don't I take care of you? Don't I buy you gifts? I'm literally giving you a foot massage. And you're saying this to me? Why are you sounding ungrateful? You know what? Put your leg down. When was the last time you gave me a foot massage? When was the last time you washed my clothes?
I don't know.
When was the last time you paid attention to me? Jennifer, when was the last time you did laundry in this house? What the hell is wrong with you?
Babe, I do these things. I don't understand. Why you being manipulated? I don't get it. I do these things. I only asked a simple question that you're supposed to give me an answer to, and you're being...
I'm being manipulative. That's what you're telling me. You're very ungrateful, Jennifer. So I am being manipulative right now because I asked you to tell me or explain to me what your definition of love is. Don't I love you like I should? Okay. I totally get it. You want me to sit down here, right? And confess my love to you. You want me to tell you I love you in the morning and tell you I love you at night and write you messages, love messages, and sing you to sleep because you think I'm jobless, because I don't have a job. I go out, I walk my ass out, come back here to take care of you, and you're sitting down there and telling me that I don't love you. You think I'm those jobless guys you've been messing around with? Is that what you think of me?
What are you getting at?
You think I don't know? You think I don't know what you've been up to lately? How you've been messing around town with those guys? Those guys you're trying to compare me to?
Are you really accusing me of cheating? Are you?
Jennifer, be careful. I won't say this again.
But now I'm standing here wondering why you said I didn't say this, and I said you didn't try. Now we are lost in the head of a
Is that
life
not
that's
it?
gone away.
Simple question, simple answer. But no.
Our hearts beat like drums in a fire. We are searching for a light to guide us.
Alan, you would have just managed your anger. You would have just managed your anger, and I kept on telling you this. I kept on telling you, but you refused to listen. This is just the reason I did not want to tell you that I am Chief Gomez's daughter. I refuse telling you. I refuse telling you. Because I know my dad. I know that he's evil. I know what he can do. I know the powers that he's got. This is it. Where are you now? Oh, God, please. No. I know that you hurt me, I know, but I'm not going to let you rot in jail. How am I supposed to let an innocent man go to jail? Did he rape me? No, he did not. So why? I know my dad. I know who he is. Powerful, influential, very wicked. Please help me. I want you, if only you listen to me. If only you listen to me, Alan. If only you listen to me.
This is mental confusion. I don't know what to do. This is mental confusion.
What? Stan! Alan! Stan, what are you doing here? Alan, what is Stan doing here? Please, can what is he doing here? Why is he here? Why did you detain him?
Your father, Chief Gomez, asked us to detain him.
What? On what grounds? What did he do to you people? What did he do? Stan, what did you... Alan, please, what's happening? Why is he here with you?
Stan came to bail me, and your father instructed them to detain him as well. So kindly ask your father to at least release him.
And you people detained him. You detained him for no just cause. You detained him because you were giving the orders to.
Stan, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Stan, please. Alena, I'll see you people, okay? I'll be back. Please.
Auntie Jennifer, don't just put me for trouble. You, take them in.
Okay.